Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 not launching, so you can start the game without any errors or crashes. First, restart your PC, because temporary system glitches can prevent the game from opening. Next, open Steam or Battle.net and verify the game files to repair any corrupted or missing data. After that, update your graphics drivers to the latest version, since outdated drivers often block game startup. You should also run both the game and launcher as an administrator to avoid permission issues. Another important step is to disable overlays like Discord, Steam, or GeForce Experience because they can interfere with launching. Also make sure your Windows system is fully updated for better compatibility. If the issue continues, check your antivirus or firewall and allow the game through them. Finally, restart your PC and try launching the game again, and it should work properly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.